Good morning, everybody. Curtis here, just to show you the wrap-up on our Tucson project. This is our Interior Plus package with the cut. We did this as part of a reconditioning project for the customer on a vehicle that he just bought. Sure perked things up, cleaned up a lot of the little scratches and marks. As you can tell, that back door had a few of them in it, and they're gone. So quarter came out nice except for one deep scratch there, but overall we did pretty good. So this car is going to look great in the sun. This nice beautiful maroon paint is absolutely gonna pop. Don't know if you remember how the sides looked, but we'll bring you in close. We got all those marks out of the quarter. Pretty much clean these sides up really good. I hope my camera angle tells the story. So we're all wheel dressed and ready to go.